Most people get this wrong. They assume Marriott's Homes and Villas is just like Aaron, but the surprising truth is that it combines the flexibility of vacation rentals with the reliability and service standards of a major hotel brand. Marriott Homes and Villas offers premium vacation homes and condos in over 200 destinations worldwide. Each property is vetted for quality, cleanliness, and safety, which means you can expect consistent standards that independent rentals may not provide. Homes range from city apartments to beachfront villas, catering to families, groups, and business travelers. Booking is straightforward. You can filter by amenities, number of bedrooms, and even whether the property has Marriott Bonvoy points eligibility. Speaking of points, one unique advantage is that stays at these homes often earn Marriott Bonvoy points, giving loyal Marriott customers added value. The surprising truth is that homes and villas are usually more expensive than average Airbnb rentals, but you're paying for trust, vetted standards, and hotel-like support. For example, customer service is available 24/7, and issues with the property can be resolved quickly, unlike dealing with private hosts. In conclusion, Marriott Homes and Villas is ideal for travelers who want the privacy and space of a rental, but with hotel-level security, service, and rewards. If you value peace of mind and consistency, it's a great choice for vacations or business stays. Subscribe for more honest travel platform reviews to make smarter booking decisions.